gathering, let everybody leave that place. Because gathering the place, touch nerves that are sensitive, both male and female. You touch everybody there and they react. So if you touch right,
are you putting it
on the system? There is no force. If I do this, no matter how unconscious the person is, the person will move. But if I do this and I do this, there's nothing you tell me. The person is gone. It's very painful. To put it under a running water. And why is that? Maybe you don't know if there's bacteria that has been introduced. That minute it will rinse it off for you. But it's not safe to put a spirit, because spirit will go and, like I told you, there are blood vessels, tiny vessels there. It will not even making it bleed more than saving you. So when you do, get a handkerchief, get anything, and then do what? Tie. You treat minor burns with cold water. So any kind of burn, hot water pour you, cold water poured you, soft water poured you, hot oil poured you. It's not the time to go and start looking for salt to pour, or I'm looking for egg to start on my skin. Just put it on that water. On the water. Don't put cold water. So this one I say my stomach is here. Not your stomach is there. This is where it is. So most people that have epigastric pain or some pain, if they explain to you very well, the pain is here before it gets to the space, to the back, maybe burning and all that. So usually, put your hands like this. You will try. You use this hand. Anyone that works for you, but it's like this, or like this if your left hand. I will not do it too much because you might push. You might hit the person just a bit like this.
for easy access?
You want to
Do
kill
it now, do it.
as a joke. And the thing will come out. Better slap. Not like that.
Hands here, check the pulse. There is no pulse, it's not breathing. We will start the CPR. Your hand will be your elbow like this, because like this you will use your muscle. You will be tired. Okay? So lock your elbow and use your weight.
Lock your elbow.
Your shoulder should be above your hand. Not like this, you will be tired. So like this you will use your weight to go down.
Okay.
It should be with a rate between 100 and 120 per minute. It's either way.
What if you don't find this?
If you don't find
If you don't have it.
And we don't have the umbo bag.
I'm back. Yes, I wanted to get it to bring it to
Okay, if you don't have, don't give breath. Because while you're doing the compression, the lungs are inflating and inflating. Okay? Not enough, but
This is for the mouth filter. You can put it here. And then leave the mouth from here.
my place here. Okay? From here, his waist. Okay.
Angelo, you go
Put your hands here.
My family.
Like a child, like a baby. Yes, exactly.
Someone from here also, please.
Another person.
Another
can come
person.
here.
Okay, another person.
You know how you carry a newborn?
From this side. So, I should be on the right side of the patient. I need to be close to the patient like this for the person. Okay? I can't do CPR for. Yeah. 1, 2.
Are you pussy?
William friends, this is why we are here. Ivy, say hi. Hi, my family. Hi. Yes, so we are ma. So. Oh, yeah. This is a lot of stress. You know why they pity? You know why they pity Joy? Joy don't see anything chop. Joy go kill him. welcome back to the channel. So I just literally got back home now, and yeah, I want to unbox. You remember this tripod phone stand that my friend got for me from Abuja? This phone stand and my package from, if it's my friends in the office, we used to call this package Temu. So any small thing will be like, oh, is it from Temu? So yeah, these two things. So let's unbox, guys. Welcome back to a new video. I guess this is a new video, a continuation of another video. I'm not really sure, but yeah, this package is from Temu and this is from my friend Precious. It will pay me if I don't unbox this for you guys on camera, cause I want you people to help me and tell her thank you, okay? Because she's such a thoughtful friend. Let me tell you for something, like why I'm really hammering on. Let me get something to cut this. Okay guys, let's proceed. So I think why I'm really excited about this is we just had a conversation, like we were just talking basically about content, and she was like, oh, that I should get a phone stand, and I was like, okay, I'm thinking of the one to get. And the next thing, she just texted me. She was like, oh, that she sent me something that in case they call me. I was just like, oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys, like I'm just like, people are so sweet, and I'm so thankful to God that, oh guys, this is the receipt. You guys can see it. My friends are very thoughtful. I was like, it really made me so happy that day. I was really excited. So this is it. This is what it looks like. It's hand grip, extendable to tripod handle, one quick pop. Ew, guys, oh my gosh, we are lit, guys. Say yes to content creating. It is so beautiful, guys. Wow, you guys, this is what it looks like. I'm so happy, and it's so strong. It's so strong. So this is the remote control to operate it. Yeah, so on to the next. Love, thank you, Precious. Please guys, thank Precious for me. Okay, on YouTube she's Nazanwa, so thank Nazanwa for me. So let's unbox the one from Temu. I didn't get much from them basically. Didn't get much from them. I'm trying to hide my address there. Okay, so let's bring out, of course, phone sticker here. What's this? Oh, let me open this first. See, I hope I'm not bringing my hand down too much, because I still want us to see. Okay, this is this. So this is what it looks like. It's cute. I'm not sad about it. I love it. So I think I'm gonna pop it back in the pack. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it back in the pack. More items. So let's get this out. Get this out. So let's, oh, okay. First, this is a phone pouch for my phone. yeah. Oh yes, guys. So I wanted this pouch that has like this that covers here. Please, fabs. I needed it. This is good. Yeah, it's just simple, nothing too much. Yeah, I love this. I am in love with it. So let's see what is in here too. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, guys. This is like scent for my diffuser. Like this is 12. It's a 12 pack. It's 3 ml. It's quite small. I had already paid for it before I saw that it's 3 ml. I thought it was 10 ml at least. But I'm excited to try this. I think when I'm using this, I'll let you guys know because it has lemongrass. Yes, I wanted the lemongrass flavor as well. Nice. Guys, I got this scarf. You know, I like to tie my neck like a fashion thing. I got another one. I placed another order with them, so I got that too. So this is it. Yes, perfect. Oh, perfect. So you guys know I like to tie my neck. Not like tie my neck, like there are some things you wear, you just style this. And I'm not sad about this at all. It is nice. So what else is this? Let's see. Oh no way. This is micro mini, you guys. But why? Oh my gosh. Guys, can you see this? Can you guys see this? From Temu as well. Okay, so I'm happy. So this is a clip-on for your phone and then charger. Let's see if there's anything else. Okay, yes. These are AirPods. I think my colleague got this and I wanted to try it out and see how. Hope I'm showing you guys everything. But this one doesn't have that. It should have like this thing. Yeah. That's this basically. Oh, okay, it has the 65%. Beautiful. And it's black. Guys, I'm not sure I'm actually going to use this. I think I want to give it to my friend. Let's put it back in there. Just in case. My sister warned me. She said, don't buy jewelry from Temu. Don't buy jewelry from Temu. I said, let me try. I mean, there's no harm in trying, guys. Is there really a harm in trying? Don't think so. So here we are. Oh, it's not bad at all. I mean, look at it. It's smaller than I thought, but yeah, I think it's so small. Just tiny, really tiny. But this is nice. This video is so long and I apologize for that. See you guys later. I'll see you guys in my next video. Like I said, I'm not really sure the itinerary for this video, but yeah, we're winging it. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.